Today's Instagram shout out goes to Blake Oliver 21. If you guys want to have the chance of your Instagram shout out, all you gotta do is use today's hashtag, which is #smile, and leave your Instagram down below. Honestly, all I'm gonna tell you is go in there and just say, alright, what's going on, guys? My name is Alex Widuchbusiness and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today's about to get crazy, so let's get started. So today's honestly gonna be a banger and I'm super excited for it, and I hope you guys are as well. If you guys enjoyed today's video at any point, make sure you smash that like button. We're trying to hit 500 likes on this video. And follow my Instagram at @tilted_TDI and follow my TikTok at alexwiduchbusiness. So as you guys probably saw in the title and thumbnail, my friend is quitting his job today and I'm super excited for it. You should be excited for your friend quitting his job. But you know what? Honestly, this job isn't the job for him, and he's on the dean's list. He goes to school full time. For him at the moment, doing the job that he currently does doesn't help in his education. He's on the dean's list. So honestly, I'm super excited for him to quit his job. Not making him happy either. Jumping into some TT content today, but one of the issues I've run into is all the bolts. The reason they kept coming loose because they stretched and they bent. Cause the motor to rock backwards. The hole doesn't line up with the exhaust. If you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you smash the subscribe button. And here's today's special guest. I'm super excited. Joey, how excited are you to quit your job today?
Something's in the air today, boys.
He's got a whole entire letter written up, which is super funny, but it's also super legit. It's a resignation letter. So you know what? They can't hit him with the fire.
I feel a lot better, more clear, you know?
Honestly, there's a lot of people out there that are working a full-time job and also going to school, but Joey, he's not in the position where he needs to go have a full-time job at the moment. Job isn't working with your schedule. Talk to them. If they're not willing to work with you, honestly, it's time to find a new setup, you know? Yeah. Joey's all dressed up, ready to go. Looks like he's going to a funeral. He's got his suit on. Got his tuxedo on. Truck is all clean.
Get it, boys.
Let's get it. All right, guys, so we're all set to go. I got my car keys, I got my coffee, I got my wallet, and Joey's got a clean truck and a clean conscience. So let's head out. Let's get it. I hope they just take the paper and we leave. What some of you guys who are new to the channel may not realize is Joey's actually has a super comedic personality, and I think he really adds to the channel greatly. The fact that he goes to work every day, you know, it's great. You want your friends to work and stuff like that, but the fact that Joey could be in the videos more often, build his presence on social media, maybe even start his own YouTube channel, I want to help him with that. I think if you guys give enough positive feedback in the comments, I think Joey will definitely start a social media. He just needs the confidence from you guys. So throw it down in the comments, say, Joey, start a YouTube channel, start a TikTok, start an Instagram reel, start it all. Hey guys, so the big moment has arrived. Joey's kind of nervous, but Joey, I gotta give you some advice. Honestly, all I'm gonna tell you is go in there and just say, you motherfuckers, feeling about this? You confident?
Honestly, like, it is what it is. It's for the best of myself, though, you know? And like the job that I'm gonna be starting is making like $8 more an hour, so.
Really mentioned that, but Joey has a different job opportunity, a little more lenient on time.
Like
so.
$400 in 2 days.
More than I make on YouTube, so you boys, make sure you subscribe. As I literally just started gagging.
Look at my mask for work.
Joey's got his face mask for work, and it literally is covered in fish guts. I haven't mentioned this to you guys, but Joey is I guess you'd call you a seafood butcher or something like that.
Dude, it smells like shit. It's disgusting. Yeah, honestly, when I get home, after this, I'm gonna take a shower.
Look at that thing. Been in the bed of his truck for like 3 days. Oh, that is so disgusting, bro. All right, Joey, good luck, bro.
Alex, see you in about 5 minutes.
Don't forget.
You wanted to be professional about it, but you couldn't finish your last day?
Guys, huge update. Joey just quit his job. Big news on the platform. Oh. Guys, you gotta throw it down in the comments and tell Joey that he's gotta start a YouTube channel. He's gotta start posting on Instagram Reels. Funniest guy I know. Honestly, the only guy I will promote as much as I do. Joey, enough of this nonsense. Hop on the Instagram Reels. Hop on the YouTube. Hop on everything. Wow. Oh my God! Are you fucking kidding me right now? $150,000 views on this video. I'm gonna give Joey $150.
Yeah,
so
you
Joey.
I'm thinking about doing a little exhaust leak through the hood.
Hood exit for Joey?
Question mark.
A little rundown. How'd it go in there?
So, you know, you have to go get your temperature checked. You knock on the door. So I go upstairs, knocking on the door. He says, come in. They're both like looking at me weird. And then I'm like, you know, here. Pull my back pocket. I'm like, here's my resignation letter. You know, these hours weren't the best. I'm just trying to be most professional as I can about it. I got stuff like I got offered the job today, this and that. Oh, you call being professional, but you can't show up to your last shift? No, I just told you. I have stuff to do for the job today.
If you guys are ever trying to quit your job, make sure you make a resignation letter, and you don't even have to put in your 2 weeks according to Joey.
And hit me up. Me and Alex will help you. We'll help you write a letter.
I can't write, so hit Joey up. He'll pay him.
Dude, the guy looked at my letter. This guy opened the envelope, looked at my letter, and was like, oh, you're not being professional about it. I was like, I'm not being professional, but you can't even read the letter I just gave you. Are you kidding me?
It is what it is. What do you think about this place?
honestly, like, it's not really the best company to work for.
Guys, Joey's old manager is right behind us right now. This lady is eyeballing Joey when she finds out that he quit. Gonna be pissed.
Where's Piper at?
I don't know. So I wanted to update you guys on this check that I got the other day. I saw a bunch of comments down in the comment section saying what I should do with the money, which I'm super stoked about. I haven't made any purchases yet with this check. I love all suggestions. If you guys have any suggestions, throw it down in the comments what I should use this check for. It could be the TT, the Mark 6, Mark 5.
Yo, yo, yo.
Got any words for advice for these people?
Hey, where's the torta? Dude, look at this. We all got 3 lineups of it. Kidding me? Look at this setup.
All right, guys, I just got back to my house. Joey dropped me off. Joey ate his burger. I didn't finish mine. I'm kind of upset, kind of full. That's the way it goes.
You gotta say bye to Piper, too.
Piper, adios.
Yeah. You're gonna be in the video this week, bro.
Joey, you got any words of wisdom for the kids?
Pursue your dreams.
All right, so it's absolutely mandatory right now. I'm heading on over to Starbucks, and then right after Starbucks, I'm heading directly to Lowe's. I'm gonna get this exact bolt right here, replace this bent bolt, and I think I'm gonna get 4 of them. Last time I went to Lowe's, I kind of just rushed through the aisles, and I'll be honest, I didn't really check for grade 8. I kind of just zoomed through, and I did not put the time in I should have. Obviously, when I torqued down those bolts to 74 foot-pounds, they bent and they stretched. This is coffee round number 2 today.
Hi, thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get for you?
Hi, could I get a venti iced caramel latte?
All right, we'll see you at the window.
Thank you. Quick little taste test. 8 out of 10. Very similar to last time. Last time I had it, didn't taste anything like the time before. This is literally my 3rd time at Lowe's for the same exact bolt within the past 2 weeks. First time I didn't grab enough bolts. The second time the bolt stretched, so here I am for the 3rd time. Maybe I will be able to find a grade 8 bolt. I'm crossing my fingers. I've been in there enough times. I can now confirm that they do not have the size I need in grade 8. I think it's like an M10 X25. I don't even know. And then it's like a 7/16. They don't have it. So I got a grade 5, not a grade 8, but you know what? We're gonna use the bolts that stretch again. Use them for a couple days until the bolts come in and I'll be fine. We got our bolts, and just like that, it is 6:30 at night and it almost is pitch black out. And we gotta install these real quick, and I'm really excited because this bolt and this bolt is literally 1/4 of an inch longer. It is disgusting. I literally hold it and I'm like, no way. They're the exact same bolts. Look how much this thing has stretched. This is no joke. That is insane. That grade 5 bolt literally stretched almost 1/4 of an inch, which is terrible, absolutely terrible. So I'm about to torque it up to 74 foot-pounds just like I did before, and I think with the motor torquing back and forth is what's causing it to obviously stretch. One of the things I failed to mention, like most YouTubers, you know, the weathermen of YouTube, it's about 45 degrees right now. It's a low of 39 tonight, and it's absolutely horrendous. It's still September, and it feels like fall. With the limited amount of room that I'm working with out here, the purple car is still sitting inside, so I'm gonna continue making these videos outside. In there, it's all tightened up to 74 foot-pounds. I did want to go on a drive tonight, but I completely forgot about this one issue I have. The turbo's been leaking a lot of oil. I found that out, luckily, that it is the turbo. It is the turbo drain that's been leaking all this oil out of it, so I guess we kind of figure out one of the issues. I tried going in through the top, and you kind of can get access to it. It looks like I'm gonna have to go underneath the car, get an extension with a 10 mil, and just go up and go ahead and tighten it. I did get the outer bolt, so that one's tight, but the inner bolt, it is loose. So that's where the car's gonna rest for now. I'm gonna clean up all my tools. It looks so good. I'm super happy with it, and I hope you guys are as well. But guys, that's gonna be a wrap on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think it's super awesome that Joey's kind of moving forward with his life. He kind of was going one direction for a couple days, but you know what? He realized school's more important, and also he found a better job that has less hours and that's gonna pay him more there. So it's kind of fall weather, which is kind of crazy, and I kind of am feeling the fall vibes. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And remember, don't let anyone put you down. Don't let anyone's hate comments even get to you, because honestly, at the end of the day, those bullies, they're not really worth. Remember, your vehicle is unique to you guys. Honestly, at the end of the day, never forget that. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys come back to see the next video. And I hope you guys are smiling. That's all that really matters to me. I just want to create a form of content for you guys to make you guys smile, forget the stresses of the day. So that's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.